Okay, so the new server orientation is, these are the two UPS power supplies. There's power supply in bus A, and there's power supply in bus B. Power supplies are on both sides. There's plug bars reflecting both sides. On the third shelf we have bus A is in that red light, bus B is in that red light. We have all these drives, and they're hooked up accordingly, bus A and bus B. Those are RAIDs. We have the actual console, 4K console. Has two cameras. One's a FaceTime camera, the other one's security surveillance camera. We have a keyboard. We have external drives. This is for the backups. That's a time machine backup. And that is the external data backup, which is also the drive systems and everything else. Basically, it's everything to get it going. And then we have file server 1 and file server number 2. And what they do is, number 1 basically handles all the tasks for the data and everything. And number 2 handles all the tasks for backing up. And if this one should go down, it'll pick up, this one will pick up that one, and if that goes down, this one will pick up that one. If this one goes down, well, you get what I mean. Okay, then there's a private network that's supported by that's first server. And that private network, everything's on a separate bus, so that these drives hold up virtual volumes, so that if one of the buses goes down, the virtual volume doesn't. Okay, and so you could have a whole RAID failure, still going to stay online. You can have any two drives fail in the RAID, still going to stay online. Okay, then there's mirrors. Not only is this data here and that data there, virtual volume, then you have data mirror 2, and then all the backup drives there. That's all those. Most of those drives are for backup. Time machine. Okay, so now here is the dock. Okay, in the front, it's USB 3.1. On the sides, it's USB 3.0. There's 3 ports on the side, not used. There's another display port in the back, an HDMI port, display port, not used. There's the bridge, the Thunderbolt 10 gigabit bridge. There's also a separate network that it can support for other machines or whatnot that's plugged in. And then the power supply. Okay, the right over here is just another network hub, and that is for just the network feed of server 2. Okay, that's how server 2 gets its display console, and the 3 printers. Okay, and then so that's basically it. So we have a 5-room printer here, and outside we have all these machines. They're all Macs. They're all running El Capitan. And then we have the main floor printer here. And it has all the accoutrements, stapler, collator, everything. And as you can see, the main router is just got 2 things plugged into it. One is the WAN, and the other is the server. That's it. Everything has to go through the server, thus everything is protected. And then we have another printer in the conference room. So this is the conference room printer, conference room computer, conference room printer, and this is identical to the main floor printer. And that's me signing off.